Hi guys, it's Tim here with Beatdown. We're going to go through how simple it is to install your new Zeored-In transducer mount from Beatdown Outdoors. So when you get your mount, everything will come in the box. You'll have two options of rubber spacers that we put around your trolling motor shaft. So pick the one that works with your diameter. This one I'm going to use a smaller one because it's a larger diameter Garmin trolling motor shaft. So just wrap that around there and put your transducer in. You can see in the instructions, keep it a little bit away from your motor head so that way you don't have interference when you're going through this, but the rubber does help with some of the interference too when you're installing this. Snug it up, put in your 4 bolts for your back plate. All right, so once you get that all tightened up, now you can go ahead and install your LVS 34 transducer. So. This is where the features of Zeored-In really start to shine. So as you can see down here close, we've got 360-degree rotation on this. So you can get that transducer in forward-facing mode, placed just like you like it. Say you want it on a little bit, arm a little forward as you're running, and then move your transducer down to a spot. If you want to switch between forward and down mode, super easy. You can, same thing. Adjusted by 5-degree increments as much as you want. Get it to that exact perfect spot. So whether you're a bass fisherman or crappie fisherman wanting to see your lure splash the top of the water, or you're wanting to run deep, you've got all the options with this one. Full adjustability. And then some more features of it is you can quickly change from down, forward to perspective mode by just simply pulling the transducer arm out, unlocking it, rotating it to your position you want, locking it back down, and now you're in perspective mode. So fully adjustable, fully everything, all the features all in one. So people who are doing a lot of different stuff, from catching bait fish to crappie to bass to you name what species you're after, this transducer mount has it all.